Hello YouTube audience, welcome back to my channel Active Riders. This is your host Bimal. So today I am going to start a new series of vlogging, and I have named it as Automotive News Vlogging, and I'll be getting you all the latest news from this automotive industry for you guys. And if you like this effort from my end, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share as much as you can. It will help the channel. So let's begin with our first news. The first news is from Yamaha. So one of the dealer of Yamaha has taken a help of social media platform and released a new image, posted a new image, and this image says a new breed of rider is coming to town, and it says the month as mentioned as January 2017. So something really good is going to happen, something really good is going to launch from Yamaha side, I guess. And if we see the image how they have shown, I think it is the Street Fighter bike which they want to launch, a naked version which they want to launch in a higher capacity. So maybe they want to evolve FZ series in a better way. And in international market, however, Yamaha has the Street Fighter look bikes like MT-15 and MT-03. So if they are getting the higher version like 250cc or 300cc, then it's really good. I'm really excited to see what Yamaha has for us in 2017. Let's move on to the next news. The next news is from Honda. So Honda India has launched Navi's new model. They have added two new model in Navi scooter frame, that is Navi Chrome and Navi Adventure. So it's good to see that they are building Navi in a very good platform, and they are promoting in a very good platform. The Honda Navi Chrome edition is priced at rupees 44,713, and the Adventure edition is priced at rupees 48,173 at showroom Delhi. So good from Honda side, and this is very silent launch from Honda. They didn't announce anywhere, or there is no event such for this launch. So the next news is from Hero MotoCorp India. So I think Hero is going to launch their Super Splendor with i3 technology in this month, and the mechanicals, we do not think that there is any change in the mechanical. However, the current Super Splendor is 124.7cc 4-stroke single cylinder OHC engine with max power output of 9.12 PS at 7000 rpm and 10.35 Nm of torque at 4000 rpm. So I think there won't be any changes in mechanical. Only the difference will be their i3 technology. As we have seen in their older bike, there will be an i3 technology, ideal stop and start button, which can really improve your fuel. The fuel economy of the bike can be really improved. And from Hero also, they have entered even Argentina market with Hero Glamour 2017 Hero Glamour. So I think even this can be launched in India, but when, I have no idea. So let's see what Hero has for us in this year. The next news is for KTM fans. So whoever is KTM fan, they should be really happy because this news is really good. KTM is hosting an event at Pune on January 19th, and we may see the new KTM 2017 RC series. So this event is mainly for RC series, I think so. They may release the very anticipated update for RC 390. So if they are releasing the updated RC 390, it will have both mechanical and visual changes. The motorcycle will receive a larger 320mm front disc brake, switchable ABS, ride-by-wire and slipper clutch. The underbelly exhaust will change and make its way for an aluminum side mount exhaust at the right side. So there will be a change in the bike, and this will also affect to the performance of the bike, where it will come as a Euro 4 complaint with 373cc single cylinder liquid cooled engine that is capable of producing 43.5 PS at 9000 rpm, while the peak torque of 36 newton meters 36 Nm will come at 7000 rpm. The engine is the engine gear ratio will be 6-speed transmission, so you all know that. For RC200, I think it will be only visual updates. They are not going to change anything in that RC200, but RC390 is really going to get a very good update on mechanical as well as visual. So this is it, guys, from my end. If you like this series of automotive news, please like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more information regarding the same. Till then, have safe ride, have a safe journey wherever you are going, and do remember, active riders.